So check it out. I pulled this little Marx GE 70 tonner in New York Central out of one of those little junk boxes at the Allentown show. I think I gave $10 for it. I had a little chip out of the pilot that I was able to repair with some jbweld steel stick, epoxy putty. I cleaned up the one-way motor in it. I also put a 19-volt LED in it. I cleaned up the handrails. And I had another shell that I had to do a little repair to the back end of. So I had a Lehigh Valley chassis that had a bad motor, so I took the motor off and made a dummy unit out of it. And again, I cleaned up the handrails on that one. I made another fixed knuckle coupler so I could run some four-wheel plastic cars with it. I'm not a big fan of four-wheel plastic, but I'm not ashamed of it either, because like many of us, I grew up on it. I remember having several 490 sets under my Christmas tree and was more than happy to get them. We didn't have a whole lot of money, but Mom always made sure that there was a train set under the tree for me, and it certainly ran the wheels off them. So we'll take it for a spin, and we'll see how she runs. Wow, the little one-way motor still runs great. It's just a tribute to Marx and the wonderful little trains that they made. So thanks a lot for watching. God bless. Never forget Jesus is Lord. And I thank the Lord I can afford a lot more expensive trains now, but I still like to once in a while reflect back on where I grew up and the wonderful memories I had around the Christmas tree. God bless.